showed up soaked in midnight blue, like you lost your way to me. Mud on your boots, hair undone, laughing like a broken sea. Parked right against the fence line, watching the dark take the field. You said I don't need saving, but the lie was already sealed. And I felt it in the dark, like a spark under the skin. One look and I was falling where the water pulls you in. Birds of a feather we go, birds of a feather we go. You pull me under slow, and I still say yes I know. If the river takes your hand, I'm right there in the undertow. Birds of a feather we go, birds of a feather we go. You keep your ghost in a drawer, I keep mine locked in my chest. We build a midnight altar out of whatever is left. Your mama's old white pickup, my ring left out in the rain. We dance right on the razor and find our safety in pain. And I feel the whole world tilt when you call my name so low, like a train through the pines. It's a warning, but I still go. Birds of a feather we go, birds of a feather we go. You pull me under slow, and I still say yes I know. If the river takes your hand, I'm right there in the undertow. Birds of a feather we go, birds of a feather we go. If I'm Ophelia in the water, you're the moon that drags the tide. Half drowned and still I'm reaching, with nowhere left to hide. So let me go, hold me close. Either way I'm yours tonight. Hold me close or